look at the 2026 Mercedes Maybach GLS 800, you're not just seeing an SUV, you're witnessing a masterpiece on wheels. From the moment it appears, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A rolling cathedral of luxury, power, and art, crafted to command attention without uttering a single word. Welcome to the world of unmatched elegance. This is Maple Motor Review, and today, we're diving deep into the ultimate luxury SUV. The first thing that strikes you is the presence. Its deep metallic blue finish shimmers like liquid sapphire under the sunlight, while the bold, muscular silhouette demands respect. The front grille, majestic and throne-like, makes a silent proclamation. This is a Maybach. Even the wheels seem to spin galaxies, reflecting an attention to detail few SUVs can claim. Every curve, every line, and every accent has been designed to break the boundaries of traditional SUV styling. Move around to the side and rear, and the story becomes even more mesmerizing. Sculpted proportions give it a sense of movement even when stationary. Chrome accents, the signature Maybach emblem, and flowing lines create a dynamic elegance that feels almost alive. The rear exudes yacht-like grace, with a design that makes every angle photogenic. Shift your perspective slightly, and the metallic paint seems to change shades, reinforcing the idea that this SUV isn't just built, it's crafted. Step inside, and the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 transforms from a visual spectacle into a sanctuary. Imagine plush leather seats that feel like they were molded for your body, ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood, and a panoramic roof letting in serene natural light. The rear cabin rivals any private jet, with recliners so comfortable you might forget you're on the road. Every stitch, every finish, and every detail speaks to meticulous craftsmanship and uncompromising luxury. Performance is just as refined as the design. Beneath the hood lies an 800 horsepower powerhouse, delivering acceleration that feels inevitable, not aggressive. It moves with a majestic grace, blending raw power with astonishing smoothness. The GLS 800 isn't about showy speed. It's about controlled sovereign authority. Driving this SUV is like commanding an orchestra. Every element works in harmony to create an experience that's powerful, precise, and unforgettable. And while many luxury SUVs compete to impress, the Maybach GLS 800 sets a new standard. It doesn't chase Bentley or Rolls-Royce. It simply exists above them, defining a new era of automotive prestige. This is a vehicle for connoisseurs, collectors, and enthusiasts who understand that true luxury isn't loud. It's silent, sovereign, and absolute. In the 2026 Mercedes Maybach GLS 800, art meets engineering, luxury meets authority, and presence meets inevitability. It's not just a car, it's a legacy in motion. Every journey becomes a statement of style, sophistication, and power. For those who crave more than transportation, this Maybach is the ultimate expression of what it means to arrive with grace and dominance. This is Maple Motor Review, and the GLS 800 isn't just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece reshaping the meaning of luxury SUVs forever. If you want, I can also make a snappier, punchy 60 to 90 second version of this script optimized specifically for YouTube Shorts or viral clips. It would hit every wow factor faster and keep viewers glued. Do you want me to do that?